Hey there, fellow coders and IT enthusiasts. Welcome back to Zimist Coded, your go-to channel for all things tech. Today, we're diving into the world of MS Word to explore the intricacies of creating and formatting columns. Whether you're a seasoned programmer, a database guru, or just someone looking to enhance their IT skills, this tutorial is for you. So, without further ado, let's jump into the world of MS Word magic. Adding dummy data. To kick things off, we'll add some dummy data to our document using the lorem function. Type in equals lorem open parenthesis 620 close parenthesis to generate 6 paragraphs, each containing 20 sentences. Two equal columns. Now, let's maintain the first paragraph as a single column. For the second paragraph, we want to switch to 2 columns. Simply select the paragraph, go to Layout, then Columns, and choose 2 from the drop-down list. It's as easy as that. 2 variable columns. Moving on to the third paragraph, we'll keep it as a single column. For the fourth paragraph, we'll switch to 2 columns with variable widths. Select the paragraph, go to Layout, then Columns, and choose either left or right from the drop-down list. For this example, let's go with left. And there you have it, 2 variable columns with different widths. Manual variable columns. Alternatively, we can manually adjust column widths. Select the paragraph, go to Layout, then Columns, and click on More Columns. Choose 2, left or right, and make sure to uncheck Equal Column Width. Adjust the width of each column and the spacing between them using the provided options. Conclusion. And there you go, folks. Creating and formatting columns in MS Word is a breeze. Whether you prefer equal columns, variable widths, or manual adjustments, MS Word offers the flexibility you need. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Zimist Coded for more tech tips, and ring the bell to stay updated. Until next time, happy coding.